Then sigcine sila kulo. Then this is our question 3.3. Then we're calculating the height h, which is a 8-mark question. Then le video iyaqhubeka izoqhubeka kuleyana. Then ikade ngishilo then enale question le. This is the diagram. Then sigcine sizocalculate this displacement from here to here. Then sigcine sithole isikhathi ukuthi sisuke siwubani as the distance between them was 78.40. Then bekumele sithole this distance. So sikule distance from here to here. Asinayo i-value of d, which is this number d. Shuthi kumele sithole i-value ka d kuqala. Mase sibheka kulama equation esiwenza lawa ayithu ukuthi sithole uthi nayi equation eno d, then the t bese simsolve yilo 4 second. Then so substitute u4 second. Njengoba ubona sengimsubstitute u4 second la. Then the value of d ilen. Then mase ngithi ke then le height le from here to here ngase nginame ngathi okay. Then our k uzolingana sizo substitute our d 46.4. Then we are substituted, then uthola 110.40 because bathi round off to 2 decimal places, then izoba 40. Then 3.4 sibethi sketch the velocity time graph for both the parcel and the helicopter. It's a velocity time graph. We mean kusho ukuthi so there were lines like a straight line because it's a velocity and the helicopter to the instant the same time at the same time this distance between them between the helicopter and the parcel is 78.40. Then bayifuna ngophi ke from here to level point le ukuthi i distance between them is 78.40. Shuthi for i parcel bafuna i velocity yayo from here, from this point iziyahla izogcina la seyiqondene naleli point leli la seyikhona. From here to here bafuna ukuthi velocity iyenza ibehave kanjani. From helicopter bayifuna from this point because siqala la ukuthi bayiphonse lo. Then from here to this point eseyikuyo la, so from here to here bafuna velocity, how does it behave. Then asiqale ngekwelo kunjani for helicopter. Then basibethi show initial velocity for both parcel and helicopter. Initial velocity ngalesikhathi be drop ayilo kunjani yethu i parcel yethu ileyo initial velocity yawo 8 meters per second for i parcel. But notice for a parcel, but it's ascending vertically at a constant speed of 8 meters per second. Should velocity it's constant, it's not changing. Okusho ukuthi kuzoba a straight line kanje. Then uzodoba ngerule. Then velocity yakhona, this is for a helicopter. Then helicopter. Then for angithi ubheka motion yaso sesibheka for iparcel yethu. For iparcel yethu initial velocity siyavuma i8 meters per second because as beyiphonsa izoqalisa ukukhupha ngaleyo velocity le kade ihamba ngayo sase phakathi kwini helicopter yethu. Then izoba 8 meters per second as iya upward object yethu yenza njani velocity iya decrease. Kusho ukuthi ngeke ithi ngama ithi say approach 09 10 11 shothi mele approach 06 5 4 3 2 1 0 izokhupha izothi izonjani izoshona phansi angithi izothi. Then so senza njani izothi decrease until ifike kuphi la from here isuke seyu0. Then shothi izofika la as la seyu0 khona. Then mayifika la seyu0 maximum height angithi this is the maximum height. Masifika ku maximum height then izohamba futhi iye phansi the same distance ekade ihambile the same distance shothi izohamba iphise engaka futhi. Then izothi futhi ihambe. Then la seyifika kwini initial point but in the opposite direction seyifika la. Then from here to this point ukuthi ihambe izofika la, which is this point. Maybe singathi from here to here izohamba futhi izoloku decrease velocity, decrease up to the point asazi kodwa sazi ukuthi angithi this is time. Sazi ukuthi the time between them mangabe ifuna senze njani, funa silingane isikhathi between them, funa silingane isikhathi between them, between helicopter and the what a parcel. When mangabe sekunjani, mangabe the distance between them is 78.40 isikhathi mele silingane sibobani should be 4 second. Ingakho kuzolingana kanje this is like this kumele kuqondane naleli point leli, then shuthi kumele igcine la igraph yethu. Yeah, then kanje, this is our parcel. Sishowile initial velocity, this initial velocity, the time when the distance between the parcel and the helicopter is 78.40. This is the time. Bayibuzile futhi angithi lesi calculateile nansi u78 u4 second nakho. Then kanje, then sungayi-interact nale ngothanda ngithi sibalile ukuthi ubani, sibalile sathi iubani i-160.49 meters, then usungayifaka la, then kodwa bayishongo. Then this is our velocity time graph. Then yeah, sekanje, then ngizoyi-uploada ke nayo le manje. Cela ningakhohlwa ukuthi ni-subscribe and comment about this video whether you find it useful. Yeah.